Be Jolene.
Yep.
Jolene. So you'll just kneel down and call her?
Okay. As far in as I can. Jolene! Come on, Jolene! Jolene! Come on, puppy! Hi, puppy, 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 puppy. Hi.
So now you take time to make friends with her.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hey. Who's a good girl? Oh, is that good? Just screeches. Oh, that's good.
So she came. I would say hesitantly, but tail
Hi,
down.
Jolene. Or tail down. Oh, is that cold, that floor?
And when you feel you're ready, then you start just walking with her.
She can't get her feet under her. Jolene! Very independent. Jolene! Come on, Jolene! Jolene!
It's not going to be a help.
Hi, Bobby.
Yeah, talk to her as much as you need to.
Come on, Jolene. Come on, Jolene. There we go. Come on, Jolene. Good girl. Come on, puppy. She's a little bit on my foot.
Good.
Yeah.
So this one is follows.
Good
and it's
girl.
Flat underfoot, big at feet.
Yeah.
Come on, Jolene. Good girl.
Well, the first one just came hesitantly, but tail down.
Good girl. Hi, sweetheart. Good girl. Jolene, come here. This is on the back?
Yep, 30 seconds.
Okay.
Starting now.
Struggling for sure.
Time.
Good girl.
It says nothing about crying, just says struggled fiercely, flailed.
Hi,
Right, you
baby.
don't bring her back. You let her, if she's going to go.
She settled, struggled, settled with some eye contact.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Come here, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi.
Okay.
I know you didn't like that, did you?
Is she licking your face?
She's
at all?
licking, yeah.
Okay.
Good
So
girl.
it's social and
Lots of licking.
Licks
Oh,
it.
you forgive
hands
me.
or face?
Chin.
Cuddles up to test her and tries to lick face.
Yeah, licking face.
Okay, and then the
Jolene.
elevation.
She wants that crate. Okay. Very calm.
No struggle, relaxed.
Yeah, very relaxed.
Lick.
Nope, no licking.
No struggle, froze, or just relaxed.
Just very relaxed.
Alrighty.
Good?
Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, now you start your taper games.
Okay.
And we do this one 3 times
Mhm.
to see what her actual reaction is.
Jolene. She just wants to sniff the kennels. Jolene. What's this? What's that? Go get it. Now she's chasing. Got it. Jolene. Bring it here, Jolene.
Tap the floor position.
Jolene. Bring it here, puppy.
So goes for object and runs away.
She definitely wants
Stands
it.
over, does not return. Picks up and runs away.
Are you a corgi?
Picks up and runs away.
Yep.
Come on,
One.
Jolene.
That's one. Now let's go. So we do this 3 times.
Okay, so,
Should I take it from her now?
And then play it again. Even another direction is
Come on,
okay.
puppy. What's this? What's that? Go get it. Jolene. Yeah.
2 runs away with it.
yeah.
I think we set a pattern, but try one more.
Come on, puppy.
Nice escape.
Go get it. Yeah, no fear at all, just... Jolie,
1.
bring it here. Oh, I think she may have figured it out.
Good
Did
girl.
you
Try
figure
one
it
more
out?
this direction and then see if we can.
Go get it.
So that's one thing faster.
Good girl. No, she wants it. That might have just been
I'm
luck of
leaning
the draw.
towards a 1.
So
Runs away.
Oh, bring it here.
Yep.
Come on, Jolene. Oh, cutie pie. Where's your ball?
This time she came back without it.
Yeah.
She's running between 1 and 4.
First, this is the one I'm thinking of, right?
What next?
Touch the squeeze.
Oh.
So you count and let me know when she starts to pull away.
Okay.
So what do you want me to mark it?
Oh,
Go.
hold on.
1.
I'm retreating.
Oh, hold on. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull in. 5. Oh, she's done.
4
Yeah.
counts before response.
Yeah.
And she was gnawing at my fingers from about count 2.
Okay.
Yeah, and she wants to take off with the paper.
Just like we just have
paper.
1 on the retrieving.
Well, did you mark, like I marked, what, there's 1, 1, and 2, there's 1, 1, 1, 4.
And 1, 3.
Yeah.
So sound sensitivity?
2.
No, okay, that's me. Okay, so standard, so she's away from me. Okay, yeah.
She just wants to follow my feet.
Okay, watch her reaction.
She's not reacting. She doesn't care. Oh, she's looking for it now.
Locating the sound, walks towards the sound.
Sniffing.
Doesn't
Looking.
bark.
No.
Looks, locates, and
Seems
walks
largely
towards the
on
sound.
phase.
Show curiosity and walks towards sound.
That's it.
Yeah.
Or listens and locates. She walked toward it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a 3.
And then you're dragging.
What's that, Jolene? Oh, she's standing on top of it, trying to bite it.
Going for a sled ride.
Looks, attacks, and bites.
Now she's just
sniffing.
sniffing.
She's-
Yeah. Jolene.
Looks curiously, attempts to investigate.
Definitely following, yeah. She will never bring it back to you, but she certainly wants to get it. Now she's trying to bite. There we go, she's got
Take off
it.
with Yep.
Hasn't barked.
Okay.
Done?
Yep. So don't turn off.
Now you gotta do structure.
Structure I don't do because I do that.
You do that